Hello everyone, welcome to this new series where we're gonna build e-commerce in React Native and with a Restful API in Node.js. So yes, another tutorial. I hope you're gonna learn some stuff on this one. So I think with what I've seen in all my YouTube comments, then a lot of person want to see an e-commerce build in React Native, and I think that would be a great idea. And that's why I want to jump on this. But first thing, I just want to thanks Bharat Anamula. Sorry if I cannot spell your name right. So it's someone on my Discord channel who we talk a lot lately, and he come with the ID, and he also did a sketch file about the application, like a design. So I'm gonna use his design as the foundation, and I'm gonna update it a bit for what I want to show in the tutorial. First thing, I just want to show you the design he did. So that was this kind of e-commerce. So for those who know Instacart, that's gonna look a lot like this one. So it's it's a e-commerce here where you finally buy food and things like that. You have a map where you can see finally the store around you and things like this, where we're gonna have a list, and also where you can finally place an order and everything. So I really want to thank him about this design. He really helped me to figure out how I'm gonna build the app. So this app is gonna be a lot like Instacart. So if you never have seen this application, I really encourage you to download it on the store. So this app is gonna be about selling food and things like that. We're gonna have payment processing with Stripe and things like this, but the tech is gonna be this one here. So we're gonna use React Native, Express to build server side. We're gonna use MongoDB with Mongoose. For the front end, the state managing, I want to try with Mobex State Tree. I use it lately and I really love it, and I think we see no tutorial about it, and I just want to show you how awesome is that. So think about Mobex State Tree, it's like Mobex plus Redux have children. You see what I mean? Like, you're gonna see a lot of stuff we can have in Redux, but we're gonna have the power also of Mobex, so we're gonna have less boilerplate and things like that. Another stuff, I'm gonna make use of my library I built last week. So I'm gonna show you how to use it. You are not obligated to, like, it's not necessary to use this library. You can use plain view, plain text and whatever, but I'm gonna use it because it's gonna be just faster for us for the development process in the UI and to be more consistent, and I want to show you how we can use it. For the mobile, we're gonna make use of Expo. Why that? Because I think it's kind of awesome, and also we have no native library to add. With the Stripe, you're gonna see the way I'm gonna go with this. So, and we're gonna make use of React Navigation, who with the version 2 really impressed me. Now with their new version, they have a lot of new feature I really like. They have put a lot of time on the performance side, and they have removed a lot of bugs. And for those who ask, yes, we don't gonna put React Navigation with Redux and things like this. Even the Redux say to don't do this anymore, so I'm gonna show you the way now I use it. So that's gonna be the tutorial. So my plan for the next few weeks is gonna be to at least upload 4 videos about this tutorial each week. So Monday to Thursday. I'm gonna try to always put them on YouTube around the same hour, so around 8 to 8:30 a.m. Eastern time, so my time, Toronto time. And yeah, and the Friday is gonna be about tips and tricks. So this first Friday, so the one coming, that's gonna be about my VS Code, Visual Studio Code setup. So if you see me jumping around everywhere and having autocomplete and things like that, don't worry. Friday I'm gonna show you how you can do this by installing extension. Also, for those who ask, we don't gonna use ESLint, and we don't gonna use TypeScript or any other kind of tool like that, because I want to focus on code I find that my last tutorial was a lot about the tool, but I think the tool, it's easy to learn. The thing, it's hard to finally to learn. It's how to build stuff, and that's why we're gonna jump on that. So that was the intro. I hope you enjoy. Let me know in the comment if you enjoy it and if you think that will be a great idea. And for those who ask why I use Restful API and not a GraphQL, it's because I just think finally then a lot of people, from what I've seen on my YouTube, really want to see more RESTful stuff. And yeah, I mean, it's I think sometimes it's good to really get good in Restful API before jumping on GraphQL. So that's why we're gonna do this here. So I hope you enjoy, and yes, so let's get started.